Banxa Wallet app. The pros, the cons. If you've ever tried buying crypto directly with your bank card, you've probably come across Banxa. It promises a smooth bridge between traditional money and digital assets, but is it really as seamless as it sounds? Let's explore the pros and cons. The biggest strength of Banxa is accessibility. It allows users to buy crypto with familiar payment methods, credit card, debit card, or even bank transfer without diving into the complexity of exchanges. It's like using PayPal, but for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Banxa's biggest edge is that it's fully regulated in multiple countries, including the US, Canada, and the EU. This gives users a level of trust and compliance rarely found in the crypto space. You know who you're dealing with, and your transactions follow established financial rules. It also partners with major wallets and exchanges, including Trust Wallet and Binance, letting you purchase crypto directly inside those apps through Banxa's API. This integration makes the buying experience smoother and faster than registering with separate platforms. But there are downsides too. One common complaint is fees. Convenience comes at a cost. Banxa charges higher transaction fees compared to traditional exchanges. These fees can add up, especially for small purchases. Another drawback is processing time. While most transactions are instant, some bank transfers can take up to 3 business days to clear. And since Banxa is custodial during processing, you don't truly control your crypto until it lands in your wallet. Finally, regional restrictions still apply. Not every country or card provider supports crypto purchases through Banxa, limiting access for some users. Overall, the Banxa Wallet app does an excellent job of bridging fiat and crypto safely and legally. It's perfect for beginners who want a simple, regulated entry point into the crypto world. But if you're a frequent trader or someone looking for the lowest possible fees, Banxa's convenience might feel a little expensive. Still, for smooth, compliant crypto purchases, Banxa delivers what it promises.